Hello friends, welcome to Learn Depot. This is your one day one step series. In this episode, we are going to see features of Python. So let's start with the application part. So as you know, YouTube, Instagram, Spotify, Dropbox, Netflix, Google, Uber, and Pinterest, right? These are the one of the famous companies or apps, we can say applications, use Python in the place of backend services, scalable backend, recommendation, ML system, desktop clients and servers, recommendation engine, data analysis, web crawling, testing, automation, pricing, image data processing, and etc. So next thing, so after Python, what can we do with Python? Okay, so we can go into the field of, okay, let me take the pen. Yeah, so we can go to the web development field, data analysis and data science, and machine learning and AI, automation and scripting, web development, web scraping, desktop applications, IoT, and embedded system. Like, yeah, we can program embedded systems by Python, using Python, right? Then we are having DevOps and cloud, and at last security, cybersecurity. Yeah, nowadays these are the fields Python is more frequently used. Yeah, almost every field when it comes to computer science and engineering, right? So next thing, advantages of Python. Simple and easy to learn, huge library ecosystem, open source with strong community, supports OOP, object-oriented programming, and procedural language, right? And then we are having portable and interactive, fast development and prototyping. So next thing is the disadvantage. Slower than compiled languages, global interpreter lock, high memory usage, real-time errors, runtime errors, and dependency and version issues, not ideal for low-level real-time mobile or front-end works. These all are the applications. What are the use of Python, advantages and disadvantages of Python? So here we come to the end of video. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. And our next topic is data type of Python. That should be in Python. Sorry for that. And make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thank you. And if you want any suggestion, like where are the places I need to work on, please comment below. Thank you.